In this video, I'll explain the main reasons why a data pack can give you errors. This applies both to packs you created yourself and also to my own custom packs. If you've ever tried to create or insert a data pack, chances are you've run into one of these issues. Stay tuned so you won't make these mistakes again and learn how to fix them. Reason number 1: you didn't change the settings. This is one of the most common mistakes. Many people edit everything else, but they forget that in the settings document you must assign a number for it to work. Without that number, the pack simply won't run, so always make sure to change it. Reason number 2: uploading it to the wrong place. When it comes to uploading the file, there are lots of options. Trust me, I tested them all, and the best one by far is Dropbox. With other platforms, it's normal for the pack to fail or only work once before becoming useless. Reason number 3: you didn't change the Dropbox number. Following the previous point, your Dropbox link will look a certain way, but you need to modify it by adding a 1 at the end. I've seen so many times that people don't make this small change, and that's why their packs don't work. It's a basic requirement. Reason number 4: copying the link incorrectly. This happens way more often than you'd think. Sometimes, when copying the link, you accidentally grab an extra space, which makes it fail. Always copy it correctly, and preferably use the copy text link option if it's available. Reason number 5: free downloads are gone. This one usually happens with my own data packs. Since I share them for free with everyone, Dropbox gives me a limit of 25 GB of free downloads. Once that limit is reached, Dropbox stops working unless you have a premium license. But don't worry, the next day the downloads reset and everything works again. That's why it's very important to subscribe to the channel, so you can be one of the first to download and play with the data packs. Or you can even become a member and get early access to the links before everyone else, without waiting.